His name's Henry.
Mowers and blowers.
Mowers and blowers.
Hey guys, how you doing? It's Henry at Mowers and Blowers. Welcome to another product review. Got this in mail the other day, opened up the box, and it is a piece of apparel. I get a lot of pieces of apparel as we near the winter here. Let's open it up and see where it's from and what it is. Comes in a carrying case. Nice little bag. I don't know why you would need a bag if it's apparel, right? Once you take it out and you put it on, would you ever wash it and fold it and put it back into a bag again? So honestly, this is kind of a waste of a nice bag, but I'll think of somewhere to use it. It's from FTVOGUE. Strike a pose. There's nothing to it. Vogue. Like I said, it's a carrying case. Has some accessories there. Let's open up another bag. Ooh, nice. You know what this is, fellas? It's a vest. It's a winter vest. Very nice quality. So this is what the vest looks like. This is a size large. In the winter time, I like to wear sweatshirts. We can put another vest over the sweatshirt if I wanted to. Sort of has like a collar. Zipper. Here's the inner lining. Soft. I feel that there's a heating element here. I could feel like wires and stuff. Over here you have an inner pocket which unzips, and inside should have a cord. So this cord goes into a battery module. The reason why I know this is because I've been doing a lot of heated apparel reviews lately. I received a jacket recently, and it was the same type of concept from another company. This is from FTVOGUE. Okay, now I feel the same types of elements here around the pocket area, where you can keep your hands. And I feel the element here too. What I mean by the element here is I feel like some coils or wire inside a design inside here. Here's the back with the embroidered FTVOGUE. So nice jacket, lightweight, good quality. One of the boxes inside the carrying case is a USB Type-C cable with a power adapter that you would plug it into. I would assume this is to charge the battery that you would insert into that pocket. So USB-C is now the standard going forward. Lightning and regular micro USB is not as reliable as USB-C because you can put it in either way, this way or that way. Here we probably have the battery element. And there's the battery. By the way, here's the instructions for the battery and instructions for your jacket. Get out of here! We don't need instructions. Forget about it. What do you need instructions for? It's a jacket. It's not the space shuttle. Here's the battery. FTVOGUE. On this side is the USB input that you would stick in to charge your cell phone or your electronics. And you would plug this part in, the USB-C, into this part here and recharge the battery. Once fully charged, like I said, you can plug your iPhone, Android, iOS, whatever takes a USB, so you can charge whatever. There's also a DC output too. which I don't know what you would use. Oh, the DC output would be for the plug. So I don't see a power button anywhere. Oh, here we go, right here. On this side, power button. We have 3 bars there, okay? So I'm gonna plug this in. And this is where you insert it into the pocket. To turn it on, you have a button. Press it for 3 seconds, and it goes on red. I believe this is about 145 degrees Fahrenheit if it's on red. If you touch it again, it goes to blue, and that's like 125 degrees Fahrenheit. And press it again, it's green, which is about 110. So if you only want to be warmed up a little bit, it's the green. Otherwise, red is if you're super cold. Very cool. So I have the jacket on. Fits pretty nicely. I'm not much of a vest kind of person, but if I was, I'd want one of these. I got my hands in my pockets, and I could feel the warmth already. I've only had it on for like 30 seconds. So it's really very warm now. I can feel the heat, you know? Like I said, if you have this on for a bit and you're just too hot, you can take this back down to blue, right? And then eventually to green. And then to turn it off, you would hold it for 3 seconds and it would shut off. Turn it back on, press it for 3 seconds, it turns back on to the highest level. So this is absolutely fantastic as the holidays are near for Christmas presents or anything. Also for the New York and East Coast winters that are upon us pretty soon. This is a great gift for Christmas or your loved ones or even yourself. Buy yourself a nice heated vest. Very convenient to use, and you just recharge it when you're ready. I'll leave a link in the description if any of you guys are interested in this product from FTVOGUE. Thanks a lot for sending it to me, and I'm sure I'll get great use out of it this winter. Thanks a lot for joining me on today's episode. Whew, it's getting kind of hot in here. We'll see you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.
See you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers!
Hey, I'm Henry from Mowers and Blowers! As a YouTuber that deals with small engine equipment on a daily basis, I worry about the harmful effects of the 10% ethanol that's in your unleaded gas from your gas station. Here on the East Coast, as winter nears, I think about storing my summer lawn equipment for the winter. Ethanol absorbs moisture, and what it does is it could rust or corrode and clog up your jets in your carburetor. That's why I use Ethanol Safeguard with stabilizers from my friends over at Lucas Oil Products. Before you store your machines, a little bit of Lucas goes a long way. When you're ready to use your machines again, fire sale! Hey, if you guys enjoyed the video, remember to give me a like. Also, comment below. Subscribe. Remember, it doesn't cost anything to subscribe. It's free, right? Also, hit that little bell. That way you'll get post notifications whenever there's a new video and you won't miss out on any of them. Remember to follow my Instagram and Facebook, as well as if you'd like to donate $1 or $2, paypal.me/mowersandblowers. Really appreciate all the support. Also, to keep the videos coming every day, support the channel. Bye.